Hi, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Jenny Sabana, 36 years old. I live in Pasinaya Prime North, Timan Balsahan, Naik, Cavite. And I have a live-in partner and we have three children, ages 13 years old, 12 years old, and 6 years old. My height is 145 centimeter and my weight is 46.20 kilogram. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate. And I have an experience in Kuwait country for 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family. I look after 3 months old of baby and 2 years old a child. I do all the house, of course, like cooking, cleaning, washing dishes, doing laundries, ironing, and looking after the children. I sing a song like a Twinkle Twinkle Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family's needs, to support my children, and to save the money of the future of team, and to buy my own house. Please, mom and sir, hire me as your helper because I promise to you that I am a hardworking woman, trustworthy, loyal, honesty, respectful, obey your roles in your house, and most of all, I have a God feeling. I'm happy to serve you soon. Thank you.